Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only.
Tell me about him, I said. It was about 15 years ago.
Oh, Jesus!
Cops were chasing a stolen car which ran into semi-truck, luckily avoiding dashcam driver.
He said, a gleaming blue angel presented him with revelations and divine proclamations. The most urgent being
went that way!
Come
That way!
go out and
That
jam every white woman he could find and murder anybody who got in his way.
The car coming from the left runs a red light and T-bones the car turning left.
Okay, are you saying go or saying stop? I guess he's saying go. Nope, stop. Oh, I thought you were saying go. You're waving your light. But you direct better. Stop would be this. Sounded like stop.
Yeah.
You're doing like that. To me, that means come on. Come
Yeah.
on. Come on.
That's what I was.
I'm out.
Driver from the right receives instant karma after he tried to skip traffic using emergency lane. Driver who had been tailgating another vehicle on the highway got an unexpected dose of instant karma when cops spotted him in the act.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Oh. What the
आत्ता तो 11चा झाला ना.
Driver from the left makes sudden left turn, giving dashcam driver no time to avoid an accident.
Rack. Oh, geez, Louise. Well, finally got an accident on my dash cam.
Driver from the right almost made the accident after improper merge. This trucker made a mess on the highway while he was switching lanes.
The bread part, and then you spread the red sauce all over it, and then after that you put whoa. Look at, oh gosh, dude, what is wrong with these people?
You missed chip driving.
It's not playing. So that.
Oh no, it's okay. You have to play it from the phone, and then
Oh my
and then
God,
it's a professional
idiot.
connection to the board. Oh my gosh!
You're right, I should say oh my
That
gosh.
was so scary.
Dear, you in a hurry?
You'd like trade for Steve Eisman for like 2 first-round picks. What the?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.